Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to move around different forms of vehicles like these. This allows you to put vehicles in different garages that they aren't supposed to be. For example, it's how you can move your festival bus out of your facility for trading, how to move around to make freak-out garages, or even just simply make it so it's easier to organize. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, the very first and obvious thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have a partner to have whatever vehicle you're trying to get. And you want to start with driving your festival bus right into your CEO garage. Now, once you drive the bus in, it should put you on an infinite black screen. You want to have your friends start up the job Polito Slay. It is in death matches in Rockstar created. Now, once you load in, doesn't have to be fast. This isn't time related. A lot of people like to think so, but it's not. Now, once you do load in, just kick them. It will then teleport you to the facility. Now, while you're in this glitched out state, you will not be able to pull out weapons, call a mechanic, anything until you enter your facility. I would recommend what you can still use is your MC list to grab a Mark II or any other vehicle. Once you run inside your facility, you should be ready. Now, the next thing that you would want to do, you can go and exit out of your facility. Noteworthy, if you join your friend's facility by invite, but once you actually do, it gives you your weapons back. Next, you want to call out your scramjet to go flip yourself. Go ahead and flip yourself like normal. On the blast screen, hit A once you are upside down, and proceed to kill yourself. What? Now you're going to want to go ahead and get into the vehicle that you are trying to put in a different garage. As for example, this is an Rcv. This is obviously not supposed to be in a normal apartment garage, CEO garage, anything. Now go ahead and drive this right into your facility. One thing is to note is that if it is your first one, it will put it in the service slot. Your second one will go in a personal vehicle slot. That second one's what we're after. Now, just to warn you, when it is in the personal vehicle slot, as you can see I'm hovering over it, it will be invisible, don't worry. Now the step to flip it. Now it's in a personal vehicle slot. You select a vehicle from any garage where you would like it to be. So say for example, I called a car from my CEO garage. And then once you drive it in, you're going to want to place it over the Rcv. It will not delete either of the vehicles. It will only trade the position typically. So as you can see, I'm loading down in this. Now once I select over this, it will only put the Rcv wherever I called this vehicle from. One thing to note, once you are done swapping uniforms, save your game, then quit out. If you are trying to do this with a Terrobyt, you have to, instead of the facility, do this where you drive it in at the nightclub for arena war vehicles such as Scarab, Bruiser, etc. at their arena war. Now, as you can see, it is exactly where I called it in. I called that Zeruso from my CEO garage. Rcv is now my CEO, and that Zeruso still isn't deleted, but you can move it now later. Now, you can stack out that entire garage like that. If anyone has any questions, in the description will be my Instagram. Go ahead and ask away any questions and or comment. I hope this helped some of you have some crazy garages, and I hope to see them in public lobbies, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and good morning.